y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Wit here, back with another makeup tutorial. And today we're gonna create this natural beat on my client. As you guys seen her on the other video, it was her birthday, so now she's coming in for a second look. So we're doing a natural beat with a red lip. So to start off, as usual, I already went in with Sea Breeze to tone her skin. And now I'm going in with my L'Oreal styling pencil in, I believe, dark brown, and I'm just filling in her brows. And I'm giving like this, some nice soft strokes on her brows and just filling her brows in. Okay, here I am on the other side, and I'm just doing the same thing. She's so pretty. She's so pretty to me. Like, I feel like she has nice features. She has like a nice nose. I love her eyes. I love her brows. Like, the shape of her face is just, I don't know, like, I feel like that's the best thing about being an MUA. It's like you see different face shapes and eyes and nose and lips and all that type of stuff, and it's just like, I love it. I love it. So here I am going in with warm almond and Milani concealers, and I'm just arching her brows. I'm making sure I define her arch. And with my favorite flat brush, I swear if this flat brush go missing, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because she's that girl. She's that girl. Okay, here I am going in towards the front, and I'm just cleaning that up. Sorry if I'm in the video. You might see this a lot. I'm gonna be in the way. But I'm just arching the other side, and then I got done with that. And then now I am priming her face, and I used Milk primer, the one that everybody's like raving about. I love it. Well, do I love it? I haven't tried it yet because I have dry skin, but I mean, my clients say their makeups last all day, so I guess it's working because, you know, they're coming back. But now here I am applying I believe New Caledonia. So I mixed her skin with 2 foundation shades. I'm sorry, guys. Whew. So I mixed her skin with 2 foundation shades. I used New Caledonia at the top, and then I used Nambia at the bottom. And the reason why I did that is because her chest is like you know, looking at her chest is kind of like light, but then the rest of her body is like, you know, a darker skin tone. So I know you're supposed to look at the chest or whatever, the neck, but it's just like, I didn't want her to look like, you know, a different shade, and everything wasn't going well. Like, everything wasn't blending completely, you know, with the body. So the next time I do her makeup, I will use one of those foundation alone. But because it was her birthday, I didn't want to change my technique, because I want her to look, you know, bad as fuck for her birthday. And like, I want her makeup to be top tier. So I mixed those 2 like I always do, and then it gave me like this nice finished, you know, skin tone. Like, it's her, like it matches her skin tone. So yeah, so here I am using my Instapop flat brush, and I'm just tapping that foundation in to her skin. Now here I am going in with warm almond. So I'm using that first to conceal her face. And then I should be going in with a lighter concealer afterwards. Yes, I'm applying that on her nose. These concealers, you know, I want them to come out with like I want them to come out like with a different brand, like a different, you know, type of concealers for Milani. Not to say like, you know, I love them, but I want them to come like, you know how Tarte has like the matte and then the creamy. Like, I want them to do that. I want them to come out with a creamy. Like, their concealers is creamy, but it dries pretty quick. I haven't really tried the Tarte creamy. I bought it, but I never tried it before. I need to get like a different shade that I always use to try it out to see what happens. But yeah, but the Milani concealers, like, I love them, but I wish they didn't dry up too fast. And then what else was I gonna say? It was another concealer that I was using. Not Tarte. I've used Tarte before. Okay, yeah, Tarte creamy. Yes, the e.l.f. concealers. Everybody's talking about the e.l.f. concealers, but I have some. I think I used it like one time and I didn't use it again. I just have to use it again. That's all. And see what's going on. I don't know, you guys. You probably like the last video. I'm probably talking about concealers, and the video before that I'm probably talking about concealers. But honestly, it's just like, girl, we in this together. Like, we trying to, you know, we trying to find, you know, the real deal. You know, I'm giving you the real deets on these concealers, so you know. Because I'm over here learning too about these concealers. But, you know, I love them. But, you know, if they came out a little bit creamier, you know, that would be nice. But it's a lot of... Oh, I went to Ulta. I should make a video of me going to Ulta so you guys can see how it is when I go to Ulta and all that stuff. And I'm just looking at other, you know, makeups that I haven't, like, you know, bought or whatever. But I went to the Lancome section, and I went to go try the Lancome. And girl, I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know. I feel like Lancome is good for, I believe, dry skin. Yeah, it's not good for oily skin. I believe it's good for dry skin. When I placed it on my skin, one thing I realized that it wasn't it wasn't thick. It was very light. It was very light, and like, I just wiped it off, and like, it was stained my hand, but it was just gone. And I was just looking like, I gotta get this foundation to see what's going on, because it's just like, I'm just looking at it like, I don't know. I'm gonna try it first, because I mean, I have dry skin, like, really bad. So I'm gonna try it first and then see how it goes before I apply that on my clients. But yeah, I was like, what? And then, so I want to try that foundation. I don't want to try. I'm gonna try that foundation, and then the other foundation would be, what is it? I'm always like this. Like, I can't think of a foundation that I'm gonna use. I don't know what other foundation I'm gonna use, child. Forgot. But here we are, concealing the top of her brows. Yes. You guys, my client was so tired. I know she turned up too much, a little too much the last time. She was so tired. So you're gonna see her dozing off a few times in the video if you already seen it. But yeah, she was super tired. So here I am just brushing her brows, making sure it looks super natural. And we don't want boxy brows over here. No boxy. So here I am taking my Morphe angled brush, and I am just blending out that contour that the contour stick that I use on the side of her face from Black Opal in Ebony. In Ebony. And I'm just applying that on her forehead. And here I am going in with some face powder, and I'm just dusting that off. Dusting the setting powder and just sinking that into her skin. Now I'm just taking this fluffy brush and I am just contouring her nose. Look at that nose, y'all. Look at that nose. Isn't she lovely? Yes. She's giving what it's supposed to give. She's giving. You guys, I can't wait for you guys to see my beauty room. I know you guys see the background. The background is different, whatever. I'm almost done, child. I'm trying to be done by the end of this month. I completed one whole wall. 2 days ago. No, yesterday. No, 2 days ago. I completed one whole wall. I have to complete the other side and this other side of the wall. It's pretty much almost done, but it's not completely done. So once it's done, I will give you guys a video on that. Please remind me because I be forgetting and I just be saying stuff. But I can't wait to show you guys. I should have showed you guys it before, but it is what it is. You guys will see an after, and I hope you guys like it. So I went off camera after I defined her contours. I applied lashes and eyeliner, and I'm going back in with some face powder just to take away the setting powder that I applied from trying to contour her nose and her cheeks, underneath her cheeks. So here I am adding blush. She is so pretty. She is so pretty. Look at her. Now I'm going in with highlight. And here I am lining up her lips with dark brown. She asked for a red lip, and when she asked for it, you guys, I couldn't find my red lipstick, because the one that I used, like the one that I actually used, I couldn't find it. So here I am going in with like this dark burgundy liquid lipstick, just to give it like some type of, definition. And then here I am going in with this red lipstick. I didn't like this red lipstick. It was alright. But I know the other one that I had was way better, and it was from NYX. But this one is from Milani, and I'm not feeling it. I wanted it to be matte, and it wasn't giving me like matte. So yeah, never again. But this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.